Hello students, welcome to new computer classes. Okay, from today we are going to start our computer syllabus standard 10th GSB chapter number 1, introduction to HTML. Okay, so now first we are going to learn what is HTML. So before that we should learn types of network. Network means the communication of small devices, they join together to share the information. For the internet, there are three types of the network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN stands for the local area network, MAN stands for metropolitan area networks, and WAN stands for wide area network. LAN is generally used to communicate the computers between one office, like a school, college, like any building. So all that computer can be connected together using the LAN cable. If we talk about the MAN, that is called metropolitan area network. This kind of network is used when we are going to communicate the computers of one city or communicate the computers of two different cities, right? That is called metropolitan area network. But when we try to communicate or join all the computers between two different uh, country, then it is the example of wide area network. So the internet is example of the wide area network because it is the network of the all networks. Okay, so that let's talk about the network. So internet is designed by these HTML pages. Okay, it is all the web pages. It is the example of all the web pages, and web pages is built in the HTML. So who developed the first internet? So internet means www. All the internet, all the websites are linked on the www, and the short form of the www is full form of the www is World Wide Web. Okay, and that is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 because he wants to communicate all the computers all over the world. That's why. So it is designed the internet. So how HTML is designed? So HTML is came from the SGML language. It is stands for Standardized General Markup Language, and it is designed by International Organization of Standard, right? So the ISO, it is designed by 1989, I think. Okay, so after that, based on the SGML, new language came, that is HTML, and it is based on hypertext markup language. Okay, this is the language in which we can type the web pages on the world web page, world wide web. Okay, and also HTML is called the text formatting language. Now all the HTML web pages are written on a single URL, that is called Uniform Resource Locator. And for that we need a browser to open all the web pages. We need a browser, and the browser is a software that which open the all web pages. Now before we proceed, we should know what is HTML and how HTML structure will looks like. So this is the HTML structure. When we try to type HTML document, first tag, this is called a tag. HTML document is a collection of different tags. Okay, so this is called a tag. This is HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag. These are called the tags, and each and every tags must be closed. Okay, for example, HTML tag is started, so here slash HTML is there. To close any HTML tag, we have to use slash before that tag name, so it is called ending of that HTML tag. This is the beginning of the HTML, and remember, HTML tag will be start, and slash HTML will be after end of your HTML document, it will be written. So when you start to type HTML, first an initial tag will be HTML. Inside that you will type head tag, and inside the head tag you will type title, and title will be, you can type anything. So title and slash title will be there, and between that whatever you will write, it will display on the web browser's tab. Okay, this is called the title of your web browser. Next, after title completion, you will close your head tag, and after head tag, body tag will be appear. So body tag means what? The body tag will display all the content on your web page. Okay, whatever you write between body and slash body tag, it will be written inside the web pages. Okay, and after completion of the body tag, you have to just close the HTML tag also. Okay, so student, this is called basic structure, or this general structure of the HTML document. Now we are going to start to write this HTML document inside the text editor. Now what is text editor? Text editor means a software in which we can type the HTML text. That is called a text editor. In the market, many text editors are there. Okay, but by default, in every Windows operating system is there Notepad is there. So not inside the Notepad you can type any HTML document. Okay, it's like for example, if you search on internet and type here Notepad, okay, and then the Notepad will be up here. Then you can type here anything, depends on the your HTML. So in this you can also type the HTML code. Okay, second way, you can download this site from the internet. So you can directly write download site. Okay, and then you can click on the first link from the internet. So click on that, and here you have list of all the links are there. But if you have a Windows operating system in your computer and 60-bit 64-bit OS is there, then click on this link. If you have 32-bit of OS, then you can click on 32-bit, but right now I have 64-bit of OS, so click on that and my download will begin. Okay, after completion of your download, it is zip file is there, so click on that and right click on that and extract to zip file here. So a zip file will be ready. You can see a SciFi is ready. Now double click on that and you will find at the bottom a link, means application. Here see, this is our application. You can right click on that and send the icon to the desktop also. So now we are going to move on the desktop from here. Okay, so when click on the desktop, here we can see icon is there. Double click on that, see again text editor will be opened. So these are the many text editor are there in which we can type the HTML code. Okay, but we will use site in this. Okay, we are not going to use the HTML. So let's start to type our first HTML document. In that we will type the rainbow application. Okay, you can find in your textbook on the page number 2, there is one example is given there, rainbow. Okay, so we are going to type the same paragraph here, but before we proceed, always try to learn save the file first. So click on the file, click on the save. Now before saving you have to decide where to save. So I will save in the my own folder, and that is I have made one file inside my computer. So I will double click on that and I will also open that particular folder in which I'm going to save. Also you have to make one folder. Okay, now type here file name. I'm going to type here my first web page, otherwise I will type here rainbow. Okay, file name will be our rainbow. Okay, but after the file name you have to add the extension .html, otherwise it will takes as a text document. So make sure that you are going to proper file name with the extension .html and then click OK. Okay, now you can see here we have saved that document. Done. Okay, now open that your file in your textbook page number 2. You will find here one document, it is ready there. Okay, so we'll type here HTML. It should begin less than sign, then type here HTML and then press the greater than sign. Now press enter key. Okay, and then you can type here head tag. After the HTML it will be head tag, so you can type here head tag. Okay, and after head tag it will be titles, it will be there, so it will be here title, and inside the title you can type any title. So I will type here title name will be a rainbow, about rainbow. So I will type here about rainbow. Okay, now after the title I will close slash title. Don't make spelling mistake, otherwise it will not display. Okay, now press Ctrl S. Okay, then press enter. Now close this head tag, so slash head and then greater than sign, and again close slash html. Now press Ctrl S. Okay, now I made a mistake, close the sign. Okay, now press Ctrl S. Now try to run this, and if you want to run it, just press F5 key from the keyboard. It will run your web page. You can see nothing is displayed here because we haven't written anything in a body tag, but we have written about rainbow. So you can see here whatever we type in the title, it will be displayed here on that. For example, writing title 10, about rainbow 10. Okay, so when if you come here and press F5, when you refresh it, it will be displayed here. So remember student, whatever you write in the title and slash title, it will be displayed in the tab. Okay, now next we are going to learn how to display, how to change the background color of our body tag. This is our main part. Okay, so to write there we have to use the body tag. So here we will use body tag, but body tag should be appear after this head tag. Okay, So we will type here body, and we will close also the body tag slash body. Student, make sure that you have to make practices of close the particular tag at the same time, so that we can don't forget to close the particular tags. Okay, now we are going to set the background color of the body. So body bg color is equals to whatever the color name you can define, inverted double comma. For example, yellow is there, so ye double l o double l o w, and press Ctrl S, and then move to the web browser and press F5. See, we have assigned the yellow color to the particular application. Okay, okay. So this is the simplest type of how to create HTML document. Okay, now if you type anything in body tag, for example, here we can type this is the sample text. Okay, now press Ctrl S, then switch to the web browser and F5. So whatever you will type between body tag and slash body tag, it will be display here. Okay, so students, in the next lecture we will see how to create the paragraph tag and how to create the first practical in the HTML. We will learn inside the next lecture. Okay, till then, thank you, and please subscribe my channel and like my all the videos. Till then, bye, and I hope you understood this. Do it at home, all the practice. Okay, thank you.